Hey, let's be real. Money can be confusing. Whether you're just starting out on your own or you've been managing your finances for years, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by all the numbers, bills, and expenses coming at you from every direction. We all want to feel in control of our finances, but sometimes it feels like our cash just disappears. You check your account at the end of the month and wonder, where did it all go? It's a common feeling, and you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm breaking down how you can track your spending, quickly, easily, and without needing a finance degree. You don't need to be a math whiz or an accountant to get a handle on your money. All it takes is a few simple habits and the right tools. First up, why track it all? What's the point of writing down every little thing you buy? Honestly, if you don't know where your money's going, you'll never know where it's leaking out. It's like trying to fill a bucket with holes in it. You keep pouring in, but it never fills up. Tracking your spending is like having a map. It shows you exactly where you're headed and where you might be getting lost. It gives you a clear picture of your habits, so you can make changes that actually stick. Alright, step 1, pick your method. There's no one-size-fits-all here, so choose what works for you. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or, my personal favorite, an app. Some people love the feeling of writing things down, while others prefer the convenience of digital tools. There are tons of free apps out there, like Mint, YNAB, or even your bank's own app. These apps can automatically track your purchases, categorize your spending, and even send you alerts if you're getting close to your budget. Find whatever feels easiest for you. The best system is the one you'll actually stick with, so don't overcomplicate it. Next, for a week, just 1 week, write down every single thing you spend money on. Coffee, log it, groceries, gas, snacks, online shopping, everything counts. Late night takeout? Yep, that too. Even those quick impulse buys you barely remember. Don't skip the small stuff. Those little purchases can sneak up on you and make a big difference over time. You'd be surprised how fast little purchases add up. A coffee here, a snack there, and suddenly you've spent way more than you realized. After your week's up, take a look at your list. What stands out? Are there patterns you didn't notice before? Are you dropping more on food delivery than you thought? Maybe those quick lunches out are adding up. Or maybe those streaming services are piling up. It's easy to forget about subscriptions you barely use. The goal isn't to shame yourself. It's to see the reality, clear as day. This is about awareness, not guilt. Now group your spending into categories: food, rent, transport, fun. This helps you see where your money is really going. This helps you spot easy wins. Maybe you can swap a daily coffee for a weekly treat, or cut out a subscription you never use. Small changes can add up to big savings over time. Here's a pro tip. Set a weekly spending check-in, just 5 minutes every Sunday. Make it a habit, like brushing your teeth or planning your week. Look over your expenses, adjust if you need to, and celebrate your wins, even the small ones. Every step forward counts. Consistency is way more important than perfection. Don't stress if you miss a day, just get back on track. Tracking your spending isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. When you know where your money's going, you can make choices that support your happiness and your future. When you know where your money's going, you get to make choices that actually fit your life and your goals. You're in the driver's seat, steering your financial journey. So take that first step today. It might feel awkward at first, but it gets easier and more rewarding the more you do it. Try tracking for a week and see what you discover. You might be surprised by what you learn about your own habits. And hey, if you want more smart tips to make your money work for you, hit subscribe and stick around for more. We're all about making finances simple and stress-free. Thanks for watching. Now go take control of your finances. Remember, every small step you take today builds a stronger financial future tomorrow.